Hey, Dr. Tyler Williams with Pinecrest Dental. Thanks for checking out this video today. You're here because you have some questions on the best insurance for dental implants, and you may be looking at switching plans or getting a new plan. And if you're tired and frustrated with plans altogether, we'll have some options we can go over with you in detail. You can call my office to get some information about the Pinecrest Smile Club, and it's an alternative to insurance. And most of our members save an average of $1,000 to $4,000 on implants, depending on how many you're getting and if you're doing your full mouth or just a couple teeth or part of your mouth. But if you're interested in that, don't hesitate to reach out. For most people, it works out better than dental insurance altogether. But in the meantime, if you're looking for insurance, there are a couple things to look for. The first thing is you never want to get an HMO or a DHMO plan for insurance. Those are kind of the lowest plans. Even though the benefits may look better, those plans typically have a lot of red tape, and you can't usually choose as many offices to go to. You may not have a good dentist or good dental team to work with that takes those plans. You want to look for a plan that is a PPO plan. A PPO plan lets you go to any dentist you choose, even if they're out of network or they don't take your insurance. You can still get benefit at that office. So we have patients that come see us all the time and they're out of network. We don't take their plan, but we still help them submit the claim. And generally the patient gets reimbursed, but then you can get your $1,000 to $1,500 to $2,000 reimbursement. So let's talk about how much they're going to cover. All right. So most insurance plans will cover about $1,500 per year. Some a little bit higher, maybe $2,000. Okay. Now, for most cases, don't think you're going to get all of that $2,000 in 1 year. That's not really how it works. What it is they cover percentages of that $2,000 up to that amount. So say you get a checkup and an x-ray, and maybe that's $100 to a few $100. And then you get your implant started this year, and say that implant is $3,800. Okay, or say it's $4,500, just to make the math easy. So if it's $4,500 and then say it's $200 for your checkup and x-rays. Okay, so you've now spent, you've now had $4,700 worth of work started this year, but your exam and checkup, that was finished this year. Your implant is probably a 3 to 6 month time period. And so if it was November and you were getting that started, the office is going to submit some of those codes. They'll submit all of it for your $200 visit. They're going to submit a portion of it for the $4,700. And then 3 to 6 months later, when the next stage is started with your implant, they'll submit the remaining codes to get your benefit. Now, remember that it's percentages of up to $2,000 per year that they cover. So if your implant was $4,500 in this example, and you had $2,000 a year in benefits, and $200 of it went to your checkup and exam, you now have $1,800 left. So out of that $4,500, you have $1,800 left. You're probably going to get anywhere from $500 to $1,200 towards that implant, and then you may have around $600-700 left for any other work you need. And then when the new year starts, then you be on to the next stage of your implant. Maybe at that stage, another $2,250 is submitted. The other half of your $4,500. So you'll probably get anywhere from another $500 to $1,500 back, right? Or if the office takes your insurance, you get another $500 to $1,500 paid to the office on your behalf. The difference with dental insurance is there's no catastrophic coverage. It's not like medical insurance where you meet a deductible and then these big amounts kick in, right? Implants are mostly seen as cosmetic to insurance companies, even though it seems weird. Having teeth is not required, right? You don't have to have teeth or arms or legs to live. Now, your quality of life obviously can be dramatically impacted by not having teeth, but you can still maybe missing up to half your teeth and still manage to eat at least some kinds of food. So that's kind of how they look at it. Now, this is not to paint insurance companies as bad, because most people pay maybe $20, $30, $40, $50 a month to dental insurance. It's much less than what we spend on medical premiums. And so that's just how much money is going to be in that pot. So as I mentioned, if you're tired of dealing with the hassles of dealing with percentages and is this going to be covered and is it not, and when are we going to hear back, and are they going to deny it, or hey, can I just cut the red tape and just figure out what I want to get done, then give us a call. We can share some information with you about the Pinecrest Smile Club, or if we're not in your area, we may be able to refer you to an office that could help out, that may offer something similar. So thanks for taking a minute to watch this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have an awesome day.